Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create moving text using grep editor in CapCut apps. So for example, I'm going to open my project and I'm going to add text. Just click text, select add text, type your text, and here's going to make the opacity scanning check mark, and to make the text, so to make moving text you can add keyframe on the first frame, and in the end frame just click keyframe again. So you can select grapes and select easy in to, yeah, as you like. It's going to mark, and you can select keyframe, the last keyframe, and move the text, so you can see what the final result like this. That's it. I hope this video is helpful. Comment, share, and also subscribe. Section below. Thank you so much for watching.